nobody hears me. Messages blue, but they still don't feel me. City too loud, but I feel so alone. Talk to the screen, but it don't feel like home. When I fall down, he's right there, tail wagging like he don't care. No judgment, no lies, no drama, sight, just him and me through the night. Everyone on mute except my dog. He hears my heart when I'm lost in the fog. No fake smiles, no switching sides, just loyalty in his eyes. Yeah, everyone on mute except my dog. He stays real when the world feels wrong. If love went missing, I know where it'd be, right by my side, just him and me. Late night walks, just me and the streetlights. He keeps me calm when I'm fighting my mind. No words needed, he already knows. Sits by my pain and never lets go. Everyone